Okay, girls. Happy birthday. Come around here, birthday girls. What is this, Bree?
It's a birthday bouncy house.
What do you think?
It's little tots. Why is it a little tots bouncy
It's
house?
just little tykes. It's just the name of it. It's the right size for you guys. It's 10 by 12 by 6.
Can we open it now and inflate it?
Where should we do it at?
In the backyard.
How about we do it right here in the living room?
And Daddy, why did you tear apart the ceiling over there?
We had a leak, so I fixed that. But what do you think about this?
I want to open it.
What do you think, Bree?
It's great.
Is it great? Happy birthday, girls. Let's open it up. Happy birthday, girls!
I'm gonna go do the shorts.
Don't hang on that. Go bounce.
Wait.
So this is Bree's 6th birthday, Juliet's 8th birthday, and we got a bouncy house that's a blow-up electric number, and we have it in the house. And this is their big present this year, and they're having fun. And they're up to no good.